1, 2, 3. That's not air. Those are not airplanes. And like I said, I'm recording this literally through my iPhone. I'm moving the camera. Like this. These objects are. Holy shit. They look to be round shaped, and it's really weird. It's like a fleet. They're not weather balloons. They're not planes. Definitely not helicopters or drones. It's around 5 p.m. Holy. Did you see this? Look at the speed that thing did. This is insane. What the fuck? We're disappearing. This is weird. 1, 2, 3. That's not air. Those are not airplanes. Weird. It's like a fleet. They're not weather balloons. They're not planes. Definitely not helicopters or drones. It's around 5 p.m. Holy. Did you see this? Look at the speed that thing did. This is insane. What the fuck? We're disappearing.
I've recently been watching and spent some time with the videographer out of Long Island. I mean, he has orbs, these glowing orbs of light on camera that as you watch them right before your eyes, they seem to transform into a mechanical drone. So I've actually watched it myself where these orbs are glowing balls of light, different blinking lights all over the place. And as it gets closer to you, you actually see it transform into a drone. Whether it's a drone from the beginning and it's being obstructed by bright light, I can't tell you, but it is cause for concern. We have looked at flight tracker data. We don't see any airplanes in the skies. These things are absolutely some kind of phenomenon that's happening just over our homes. We need answers and we need them quickly.
Yeah, and that's so important to note that, you are looking at flight tracker data and not seeing records of this. So, Mayor, are you confident that we will start to get some definitive answers, whatever those answers may be?
I believe we're going to get answers. Calls for speculation as to whether they're going to be definitive answers or not. Yeah. I do take the president at his word. I do think that we are going to get some kind of disclosure. You know, I've listened to government speak. I've listened to our state, New Jersey, speak. I've listened to the federal government speak, and they've been very specific at times. They've said things like, it's not our DOD, it's not our Homeland Security. And I've learned, in being in this business for a while, that when government speaks very specifically, listen to what they're not saying. So when they say it's not DOD and it's not Homeland Security, they're not saying it's not a private contractor. They're not saying a lot of different things there. So they're giving themselves some plausible deniability when they say things specifically like that. However, I'm still fairly sure that this is probably going to be our government assets, as the president said when he was president-elect, and even now. If it was a foreign adversary, I'm almost certain with $1 trillion military budget, we'd be able to take these things out of the sky. The fact they're not coming out of the sky and we keep seeing them, I truly believe that we will find out, whether it's sooner or later, that it is probably some kind of government asset.
tail in the back. Oh, flying by, another one. Here we go. So we got this guy, these guys flying with each other. Nice. These guys are actually headed towards us. So many of these fucking There we are. There's the tail in the back. Oh, flying by, another one. Here we go. So we got this guy, these guys flying with each other. Nice. These guys are actually headed towards us.